Good morning. Good morning, students. This is Professor Renukswamy Gawai from Government Engineering College, Raichur. See, now we will discuss regarding the in the module 4, design of RC structural, in the subject design of RC structural elements. In the slabs, now we will design the we will discuss the designing of one-way slabs. Means, as in my earlier session, we came to know that what is one-way slab and what is two-way slab and what their behavior, how they behaves, and how they are to be analyzed, and what are the general guidelines. Now, in this session, we will discuss the behavior of one-way slab. What kind of a slab is called as one-way slab and how it behaves. Okay, how it behaves. Now, and how to design this. How to design this. What is the design criteria? What is the design guidelines? And how the design procedure. One numerical example also we will discuss in this presentation. Moving on to the second slide. Now, here, see, behavior of one-way slab. When a slab is supported only two parallel opposite edges, when a slab is supported with only two parallel opposite walls, okay, walls is spanning in one direction, perpendicular to the support is to be considered. Such slab is called as one-way slab. Suppose this is a slab. Here in this slab, this here one support here is here, one support is here. If we consider like this, means this slab is being supported by one left hand side wall and one right hand side wall. So if it is supported only on two walls and the spanning of the slab is perpendicular to the support, then it is to be designed as one-way slab. And also if a slab is supported on all four edges, but the ratio of shorter span to longer span, the ratio of longer span to shorter span, if it is exceeding 2, suppose longer span is 4.5 meter and shorter span is 2 meter, then 4.5 by 2 is equal to 2.25. It is exceeding 2. 2 and above is when in this condition we need to design the slab as one-way slab, where the span of the slab to be considered as shorter among those two spans. Now, these above two slabs are to be designed as one-way slab. Means these slabs are single curvature slab or cylindrical slabs. See, in this slab when it is perpendicular to the support direction, the slab bends. So only one side curvature we can observe. Or we can consider it as a cylinder. We can consider it as a semi-cylinder. Means single curvature slab. These are called as single curvature slabs. Okay. Then in this case, the main reinforcement to be provided along the shorter span. Main reinforcement is to be provided along the shorter span, and the distribution steel is to be provided along the longer span. Okay. The behavior, as I told, you need to understand the support, reinforcement distribution, and bending pattern of single curvature slab. See, here one support is there and here another support is there. If a slab is rest over only two supports, in this perpendicular direction, if the slab try to bend in the perpendicular direction to the support, then it is one-way slab. Or if it is supported in all four edges, even the slab is the span, the shorter span, longer span to shorter span ratio is 2 or more than 2. In that case, we need to consider, we need to design that slab as a one-way slab. Here, two type of reinforcement in any slab will be there. One is along the shorter span, one is along the longer span. In one-way slab, the main reinforcement means the reinforcement which is arrived with respect to the designing of as a main steel. Designing as a main steel, with that main steel is to be spreaded across the shorter span. Okay, and other direction is the distribution steel, which is the empirical steel to be provided for all other secondary stresses, temperature stresses, this one cracks, temperatures and creep, all other measures to be taken care by this distribution steel. So we will move on the one design example, how to design. With respect to that, we will come to a clear idea about the one-way slab, how it is to be designed. One thing we need to remember here, the one-way slab is either the slab is being supported on only two opposite direction walls, or if it is supported on all four sides, but longer span to shorter span ratio is 2 or more than 2, then this kind of a slabs are designed as one-way slab. The main reinforcement is to be distributed in the across the shorter span, and the distribution steel is to be arranged